Eastern Pennsylvania. It's 45 degrees, and I'm hoping I can get a shot at a deer today. Hey guys, Zach here with Move Outdoors. It's early in the morning. Came real close the last 2 days. So, fingers crossed. Ryan missed a doe last night at 42 yards, and I almost got ran over by one, which was kind of fun. It's always cool when you have deer right on top of you. Unfortunately, I didn't get a shot though. But, yeah, hopefully today works out the way I want it to. And I'll see you guys with a deer in front of me. I didn't hit record. Wow. Made sure the camera was on the deer. Thought I hit record. Didn't hit record. I just had 2 deer come in. And I did get one. I shot it at like 4 yards. And it ran 60 and dropped. It's dead over there. I saw it fall. I can't believe I forgot to hit record. I had another one then, right underneath me for like another 5 minutes. I thought I was filming it walk off. It was gonna be an awesome video. But I am an idiot. Well, I'm really glad I finally got a deer down. It's been a really trying season. Murphy and his law have not been kind to me this whitetail season. I just am quite mad at myself for not hitting record. Alright, so I'm basically standing where the doe stood. You can see the stand right up there. I got one of her footprints right here. About a 4-yard shot, and she took off that way. Here's where first blood is. Quite a bit of it. Keeps going up that way. There's half my arrow.
Right here's where she died. And right there's the stand. You can see the ratchet strap on the backside of the tree for it. 40 yards. Alright, I'm going to get her tagged and cleaned up and get on out of here. Maybe I can add another one tonight. So before I move her and tag her, I want to show you guys here what these VPAs, 150 grains, can handle with these deer. So, turn this around here, get real close. You can see right here, this leg is broken. Like, it's broken up in here, goes right through the bone. And get the arrow out. Oh, it's caught in my quiver. It's frustrating. There we go. That tip's not even folded over. Needs to be sharpened, and that can go right back in on a new arrow, since the angle that she was at, the arrow went through, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to find the last 6 inches of my arrow still in her body cavity. So I'm filling out my doe tag here, and now's a good time to tell you guys that this year, Pennsylvania, you have to cut out the date on the back. So I'm going to grab my knife real quick, and I'm going to cut out October 19th, which is today's date, for officially tagging this doe. There we go. Now my tag is properly filled out per this year's new regulations. Alright guys, here she is. My first deer of the 2021 deer season here in Pennsylvania. Last year's doe. Full-grown adult though, which is good. Just not a very old adult. Glad to finally have some meat in the freezer. She's gonna eat real well. She came in about 8:03. I thought I hit record. Apparently I didn't hit record on the camera, so there's no footage, which is a big shame. So if you're still here in this part of the video, thank you for sticking around. I shot her on the side that's closest to me, and then the out was right up here. She ran about 40 yards and expired. These new VPAs that I'm shooting, they do a heck of a job. I'm really liking them. I went right through the leg bone, and the broadhead's not even damaged, just needs a quick touch-up sharpening, and good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel at Move Outdoors, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much.